Graphic testimony today in the Sammy Williams trial. For the first time, we're hearing about the extensive stab wounds that killed 14-year-old Ryan Rogers. Our investigative reporter Terry Parker has been in the courtroom all week. And Terry, this testimony was pretty difficult to listen to.
Testimony today was very hard to hear. You'll recall that when Ryan Rogers' body was first discovered 4 years ago down an embankment near his bike, police thought he was the victim of a tragic bike accident. It was only when the medical examiner began the autopsy and pushed the boy's hair aside that they discovered the horrifying truth.
Doctor, why did Ryan die, if you know?
Multiple sharp force injuries.
In a graphic illustration of the violent attack that caused 14-year-old Ryan Rogers' death, Assistant Medical Examiner Heidi Reinhardt explained the wounds she found on the boy's head and body, both stab and slash wounds, as pictures of the injuries were played on the screen. Reinhardt went over at least 6 injuries she found on Ryan's scalp, 2 of which she said could have caused his death.
Yeah, so this one goes through the scalp, and then it actually goes full thickness through the skull. It goes into the dura, which is a protective lining of the brain. It goes through the dura, and this one actually goes into his brain.
Reinhardt said Ryan had another wound into his brain and one on the back of his head that severed his jugular vein, which also could have been fatal. Not only was the boy stabbed repeatedly in the head and face, he also had what Reinhardt called deep defensive wounds on his right hand, a slash to the wrist which severed an artery and broke both bones in his arm. Sammy Williams claims he did not attack Ryan, but found his body lying in the woods. When he was arrested, a Miami-Dade sheriff's deputy testified Williams told them he did not kill Ryan. He did say he usually kept a pocket knife on him, but did not have it then. Also today, a DNA expert testified that they found Sammy Williams' DNA under Ryan Rogers' fingernails on his right hand. That same right hand that had those horrifying defensive wounds. This is going to be hard for Williams' defense to dispute. He's claiming that he only found Ryan's body, that he was not the attacker. But then how do you explain his DNA under the boy's nails? Testimony in this trial will continue on Tuesday. In West Palm Beach, Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.